The only place standard 2.1 shows up is in number 6, so let's be really careful with this one. We're given an isosceles trapezoid below. They also tell us that AB is parallel to DC. We don't have to mark it, but if we did, we would put arrows on each of those line segments pointing in the same direction to show that they're parallel. What that tells us is that AD and BC are the legs of my trapezoid. So AD and BC are the non-parallel sides. Those are our legs, and because it's isosceles, we know that they're congruent. So let's go ahead and read the properties that we're given. The first thing we're told, let me erase the colors that I have here. The first thing we're told is that base angles are congruent. So angle ADC must then be congruent to BCD, because this orange base angle is congruent to this pink base angle. Don't forget the angle symbol, BCD. The next property we're given is that diagonals are congruent. Diagonals are congruent. Let's get a different color here. Diagonals are congruent, so we're told that AC is congruent to, AC is that diagonal here from left to right, and then from top right to bottom left, we have BD. So AC is congruent to BD. And then finally, we're told that the legs are congruent. That's the third property that we're told. Legs are congruent. So leg AD is then congruent to leg BC based on that property. Leg AD is congruent to leg BC.